Edward the Blue Engine has been working on the island of Sodor for many years. He knows the railway inside and out. He's a very wise engine, and he's very good at coaching a young engine and mentoring them. He was Thomas's mentor figure when he first arrived on the railway. One day, Edward was pulling 8 vans filled with fruit to be taken to the market. On Edward's journey, he had to pass a field which had a new cow who wasn't familiar with steam engines. The cow got startled when Edward passed by. In a panic, it charged. It charged a fence and dashed through Edward's 4th and 5th trucks, snapping the coupling. Edward felt a jerk, but he thought nothing of it. He knew that trucks were troublesome, and he didn't know that half of his load had been disconnected. Edward arrived at Knapford Station so the fruit could be transferred into a lorry to be taken away by road. The workmen got to work. But before long, one of the workmen came up to Edward. "I don't think you brought all the fruit, Edward." "What do you mean?" "I mean you don't have all of the fruit. Sir Topham Hatt said you would be coming in with 8 vans. We can only see 4. "What?" Edward looked back. "Hey, wait a moment. Where'd the other vans go?" That was when Percy came into the yard. "Edward, are these your missing vans?" "Yes, they are. Where did you find them, Percy?" "I was returning back to Tidmouth after doing my daytime mail run when I found these on the main line." "Thank you, Percy. You are a lifesaver." The day was starting to wrap up, and Edward was in the works having some maintenance done. That was when Percy came in. "Evening, Edward. I was wondering, do you want to stay at Tidmouth with me and the others?" "Oh, yeah, that would be wonderful. Thank you, Percy." Henry and Gordon were the only engines at the shed when Percy and Edward came. And because of this is how they figured out that the news on Edward's cow incident had spread quickly. "Oh, hello, Edward. Do you have any more cows?" "Did you seriously get into a debacle with a cow?" "Edward, you must be very embarrassed." Pay no attention to it," said Toby as he rolled in. My old tramline had lots of cows. I know how troublesome they are. And besides, I'm pretty sure they'll get what's coming for them." "Toby, what are you on about?" "Oh, you'll see." The next day, Henry was taking a long goods train. But that was when he saw something on the tracks. "What is that? Oh no." Hello. The cow liked Henry and started licking his face. "Will you cut that out, please?" Not too far from there, Gordon was rushing down the line with the express. "Hey, what's that?" "Henry, what's the big idea of blocking the line?" "Oh." That was when the cow turned to face Gordon. And she started to lick Gordon as well. "Oh, Henry, what did you do?" I saw her on the line and I didn't want to hurt her, so I had to stop. Oh, I hate cows. That was when Edward, Percy, and Toby came in, and they had seen everything. Gordon, are you seriously in a debacle with a cow? Ho-ho! You must be embarrassed. Hello, Henry. Do you have any more cows? Hello, you two. Do you have any more cow incidents? News of Gordon and Henry's cow incident had spread even faster than Edward's, and now it was Henry and Gordon being made fun of. And Toby, Percy, and Edward were enjoying every second of it. The end.